Dear students, today I am going to explain class 11 English core CBSE question paper and its pattern. Dear students, understanding the English core question paper pattern and the detailed prescribed syllabus for the season 2020 and 21. Students, it is well known fact that with proper planning and putting efforts in the right direction will help all of you ace the upcoming exams. This in order to have a study plan, the first step is to understand the prescribed syllabus and the question paper pattern. By understanding it, all of you will get to know about the type of question asked. This will enable all of you with better understanding and time management. In this session, your English question paper overall format will be divided into two parts. Part A, objective 40 marks. Parts B, subjective 40 marks. ASL of 20 marks, total 100 marks. Section wise distribution of marks: reading 26 marks, writing 16 marks, literature 30 marks, grammar 8 marks. Part A, objective. Objective of 40 marks, reading section 18 marks. MCQ based on one unseen passage to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive or literary. 10 out of 11 questions to be done. 10 into 1 is equal to 10 marks. Question number 2, reading comprehension passage 2. Multiple choice questions based on one unseen case based factual passage with verbal visual inputs like statistical data, charts, etc. 8 out of 9 questions to be done. 1 into 8 is equal to 8 marks. Note, the combined word limit for both the passage will be 600 to 750 words. Grammar 8 marks. Third, multiple choice questions on gap filling determiners, tenses. Fourth, multiple choice questions on reordering, transformation of sentences. Total 8 questions to be done out of the 10 given. Part A, literature section, 14 marks. Multiple choice questions from an extract from poetry from Hornbill to assess comprehension and appreciation. Any one out of 2 extracts to be done. 1 into 3 is equal to 3 marks. Next, multiple choice question based on 2 prose extracts out of the 3 given from prose, Hornbill as well as snapshots to assess comprehension and appreciation. 1 into 6 is equal to 6 marks. This is also extract based question from prose extract based question from Hornbill as well as snapshots. Next, text based multiple choice questions to assess comprehension, analysis and interpretation from prose and poetry. 5 questions out of 6 to be done. 1 into 5 is equal to 5 marks. Part B. Now we will understand part B. As you know, your question paper is divided in 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A is objective, we have understand it. Now we will understand the part B, subjective. There will be total 40 marks. Reading section, 8 marks. The question of note making and summarization based on a passage of approximately 200 to 250 words. and the marks allotted for note making 5 marks. Title 1 marks, numbering and indenting 1 mark, key glossary 1 marks, and notes 2 marks. The second part, that is of 3 marks, summary writing. Summary writing up to 50 words, total 3 marks, content 2, expression 1. Part B, subjective, writing section, 16 marks. Question 2, short writing task, notice writing up to 50 words, 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered, 3 marks, format 1, content 1, expression 1. Question number 3, short writing task, poster up to 50 words, 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered, 3 marks, format 1, content 1, expression 1. Question number 4, letters based on verbal visual input to be answered in 120 to 150 words, business or official letters for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing order and sending replies. Letter to the school or college authorities regarding admissions, school issues, requirements, suitability of courses, etc. 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered of 5 marks, format 1, content 2, expression 2. Question number 5, writing composition based on visual verbal inputs in 120-150 words may be descriptive, argumentative in nature, such as speech and debate. The theme should be contemporary topical issues, 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered of 5 marks, format 1, content 2, and expression 2. Part B, subjective, literature section of 16 marks. Question number 6, 2 short answer type questions, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry from the book Hornbill, out of 4 to be answered in 30-40 words. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 marks of 4 marks. Question number 7, 1 short answer type question from prose snapshots to be answered in 40 to 50 words. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. Any 1 out of 2 questions to be done. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 marks. Question number 8, 1 long answer type questions from prose, poetry, Hornbill to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any 1 out of 2 questions to be done of 5 marks. Question number 9, 1 long answer type question based on the chapters from the book snapshots to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any 1 out of 2 questions to be done of 5 marks. Now you should know about the deletions done by the CBSE. Writing section, classified advertisements, letter to the editors giving suggestions, opinions on an issue, provide realistic context in the form of newspaper, report, article to which the students may respond, application for a job with a biodata or resume, article and report writing, narrative. These are all deleted for this session. Deletions from grammar, modals, clauses, change of voice, error correction, editing task, clause passages. These all are deleted from the grammar. Literature, from Hornbill, Father to Son, The Adventure. These are deleted. From snapshots, The Ghat of the Only World, The Tale of Melon City. These lessons are also deleted for the session. Dear students, all the best for the upcoming exams. Thank you for watching the video.